Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. My name is Emmanuel Sango guys. Please guys subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share, you know. Guys, so today we're gonna talk about an app called TV2. This app guys, like you have to use it. You have to get it. It's the easiest way to get money. All you do is watch videos. I'm telling you, all you do is watch videos. And you get paid for that. Who wouldn't want that? Very, very easy app. Very, very simple. All you do is watch videos and get paid. Simple app. Like I say, all you do is watch videos. You can watch basketball videos. You can watch almost any video you want. It's a very, very easy app, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the app. So let me show you the app. Okay, let me see. Let me go home. Okay, right. I'm gonna click on it right here, and she'll bring you here. And then, boom. All you do is watch these videos. Like watch all these videos. It's a very, very easy app to use. Very, very easy. As you can see right here, if you click right here, it takes you to your balance, just basically to see what you made. And then right here is a search one. Like you can search for your channels. Very, very easy. And then again, when you press this button right here, when you press this, it brings you here, and you can watch all these videos. Sorry guys for that. You can watch all these videos and get paid. Very easy. Very, very, very easy app. All you do is watch videos. Look at all these videos. All you do is just watch videos. It's basically YouTube. It's basically watching YouTube and get paid. So guys, this is an easy app. And guys, remember, subscribe. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Cause when you subscribe, guys, don't forget to press the bell button, cause it will notify you for new videos. So guys, like, comment, share, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.